Are you tired of missing important forum replies because they're buried in your inbox? Enable the Hidden Forums tab in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in Gmail settings to turn on the Forums tab. Just follow these simple steps. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Once in Settings, click on the Inbox tab at the top bar. Scroll down to locate the Categories section. Check the box next to Forums to enable the Forums tab. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply your settings. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.